You just telling me?
There was coffee all over your screen for your phone.
Oh, thank you. There wasn't coffee though. But you just came over and you told me, how are you feeling?
Mommy.
Come here and tell me. Stand here and tell me. What were you telling me?
Oh, well, I wasn't doing anymore.
Did you say you were sick?
Uh-huh.
Are you sick?
I need some medicine.
Why do you need I don't hear you sick. I don't think you're sick. Come here.
But it's working again.
Yay, Daddy fixed it, huh? Okay. How come you think you're sick?
Because I'm coughing a lot.
Let me hear. Oh, wait, come here. I haven't heard you cough all day. Oh, no. Alan, does it sound serious? Now, Aiden, come over here, Mommy. Come here. Come talk to me. Are you pretending to be sick? Aiden, are you really sick or are you pretending? I think you're pretending to be sick because you want to take medicine just so you can get a gummy bear. Is that true?
No.
Do you really want a gummy bear? Is that why you're pretending to be sick?
No, I'm not pretending to be sick. I'm just saying that I'm sick.
Okay, well, if you're sick, come on, you better go to bed. You ready for bed? You are? Come here, wait, come here. Are you actually sick? Come over here, baby.
Yes.
But your cough was fake. What do you think, Alan? I'm pretty sure he's faking just to get a gummy bear. But then he said he would go to bed, and now that's very strange. He doesn't like to go to bed. So I don't know what to make of the situation. What do you think? Tell me. You tell me. You tell me. I love you. Peek-a-boo. 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 You like that, huh? Let's go see what's going on with your brother, okay? Love, love, love. Lovey-dove. Lovey-dovey. Lovey-dovey.